Instead of playing F minor like this, try this. Now for reference, F minor is going to be the 2 chord in the key of E flat. We're going for that Dorian sound. So I'm going to start by playing this root position F minor triad, strings 1, 2, and 3. The idea is first to play a double stop on strings 1 and 2, that's the flat 3 and the 5th, and then catch the root with a single note, to go to the flat 7 and return back to the root. Then I'm going to borrow some triads from the key of E flat, the 4 chord and the 5 chord. So again, here I have that concept of creating 7th chords using simple triad shapes, just by skipping 1 chord inside the scale. So now here's an example, F minor, the 2 chord in the key of E flat. I'm going to skip the 3 chord, that is G minor, and I'm going to go to A flat major, the 4 chord. Now A flat major with the bass on the 2 chord, 2 chord minor 7, in this case F minor 7. And for the 5 chord over F, I'm going to have the root, I'm going to have the 11, and I'm going to have that Dorian note, that's 6. So far I have this. Then I'm going to go to the 7th chord in the key of E flat, in this case D diminished. Over F I'm going to have the root, the flat 3, and that Dorian note, that's 6. And to finish I'm going to bring that 6 a half step up to the flat 7, 11th fret of the high E string, and I'm going to have an F minor 7 here. And to finish I'm going to play this single note line. So for this line I'm going to grab this F minor root position triad as my starting point. I'm going to play around with this F Dorian pentatonic. I have the root, I got the flat 3, I got the 5th, I got that 6th, that gives you the Dorian sound, I got the flat 7. I can come back to the root, and I'm going to have again that flat 7 whole step below, and that 6 half step below. This is a nice place to play this pentatonic, because of how this root position triad is built. Now if I put all that together, it's going to sound like this.